guys, good morning and welcome back to the channel. It is 8:10 a.m. and sorry for the glare of the sun, but that's actually the purpose of this video. This is just a brief video, but got in my car this morning, started heading west, and I got this, the autopilot was on, and it started flashing take over immediately and flashing red and beep 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 beep, you know, and I even had my hand on the wheel and it did it, and it says cruise control unavailable. And I thought, I know I didn't ignore a nag to grab the wheel. I had my hand on the wheel. So then eventually it came back on, and I thought, okay, so I went back in autopilot. Within 5 seconds it happened again, beep 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 beep, take over. And it did it to me 3 or 4 or 5 times, and so I thought, this is crazy. Is there something wrong with the car? And then I thought, I wonder. I was driving directly into the sun, and I thought, I wonder if that's what's causing it. And for those of you that are locals, I'm in the town of Lake Zurich, heading south on Route 12 right now, sitting at the stoplight at Miller Road. And but at the time I was driving west on Route 176 from the town of Island Lake into Wakanda, ready to go south on Route 12, and it's just directly into the sun. Sure enough, as soon as I went up the on-ramp onto 12, autopilot came on, and lo and behold, I can put it onto autopilot, and it's just fine. There's no issues. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up that if the sun is low in the sky and directly at the cameras, it can confuse the cameras, because I got an error that said reduced camera visibility. And again, as soon as my theory was that the sun was causing it, and sure enough, as soon as I turned out of the direct eye shot of the sun, the problem went away. So just a heads up for you guys that and you can test this on your own if you want. As the sun is rising, drive directly into the sun and your autopilot will shut down. I've actually had this happen to me in the past and didn't know what it was, but I've got it figured out. Anyway, thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate all the views on the channel, and you know, with any degree of luck, we will the channel will keep growing. But anyway, thanks for your time, and see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.